Okay, this is another video about 1Password. This will show you how to change an old password that you already have to something new and hard from 1Password. So you're going to replace what you have. So I'm going to open up a browser and I'm going to go to Adidas, and I have a really bad password right now. It's TEST1234. So the worst password in the world. And you're going to see I'm able to log in. Worst password ever. Seriously, never use that ever. So now I am a 1Password user, and I'm like, time to get rid of these horrible passwords. So every website, if you log in, you can go somewhere to the information, and they'll have a change password area. And here it is for Adidas. So I'm going to click change 1Password. So here's the old password. I'm going to enter TEST1234, the bad password. Okay, so now you can go up to 1Password and we're going to generate a new password. So this is where you set how long you want the password. So you can have it 32 characters. I think that's the max for a lot of sites. Sometimes it's 24 or 22. So I'll do 20 characters this time. And I'm going to include 5 numbers. I can change that. And I'm going to include 1 symbol. Sometimes the website won't allow symbols, but I'll try it first. And you can see the 1 symbol that it picked is a plus sign. So now I'm going to click the fill button here, and that's going to automatically paste it down below on the website. So watch this. So it pasted it in, and now I'm going to submit it. And then we'll see 1Password popped up something that says, hey, looks like you're trying to change your password. Do you want me to update your existing entry? So I will, because I had a horrible password. And then you'll see behind the scenes, Adidas has changed it successfully. So that's how you replace a really bad password with a good password from 1Password. And I'm going to show you one other way to do it. So let me log out and then I'll show you the alternative way. Hold on. Okay, the alternative way is to go to a website and go to the login page. And let's say I remember my email address, or the site remembered it, but I can't remember the password because it's been a long time since I've used it. So it'll work if you go through the forgot password flow. So you click here and then you enter your email address and then submit it. And in this case, Adidas is going to send me an email, and it's going to have a link that I can click on to add a new password. So once you click on that link, it will take you to a page to enter the new password, but don't enter it directly with something you're making up. If you go to that step, always come up here and go to the password generator and have 1Password generate something complicated for you. And then you can paste it in. And by the way, when you paste it in here, I think it defaults to copy to clipboard, which is very useful. So you can click fill and it'll paste it in the website. And the important thing is just to make sure that the new password gets entered into the login for your website, because password generation is separate from updating it to your login record. So if a lot of times 1Password will just say, hey, it looks like you're updating it. Do you want to update the login information? You can hit OK, so it's automatic. If 1Password does not ask you to do that, you'll have to come in here, edit. You'll have to go to the Adidas record, click edit, and then you can paste in whatever the new password is, and it'll be something long and crazy, and then save it. So it's just really important that 1Password gets the new passwords. Otherwise, it won't work the next time you try to use 1Password to log in. So that's it.